This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Join tool in Adobe Illustrator. This powerful feature helps you connect open paths and create seamless shapes. Simply select two open anchor points using the Direct Selection tool. Illustrator will then intelligently connect them, either by closing a gap or creating a new segment. It's a fundamental skill for precise vector editing and ensuring your artwork is perfectly closed. When your paths overlap, the Join tool becomes incredibly intuitive. Select both open paths, and Illustrator will identify the two closest endpoints. With a single click, it will draw a straight line segment, effectively bridging the gap and merging your paths into one continuous shape. This saves you time and ensures clean, precise connections in your designs. Even if your paths are not touching, the Join tool can still connect them. Simply select the two open paths, and Illustrator will generate a new, straight line segment to bridge the gap between their closest endpoints. This is incredibly useful for connecting disparate elements or quickly closing large breaks in your vector artwork, maintaining clean lines throughout. Here are some key tips for mastering the Join tool. Always use the Direct Selection tool to pick exactly two open endpoints. You can find the Join command under Object, then Path, or use the keyboard shortcut Command J on Mac or Control J on Windows. Understanding that it connects the closest points will help you anticipate its behavior and achieve perfect joins every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.